Short haul for you guys. I have been on the buy sell trade site for Simply Gilded, and I also placed an order with Scribble Prints Co. I've been kind of limited with what I can spend lately, and I've been trying to build up some gold full accent stuff, and I definitely wanted to get started with Simply Gilded. So let's go ahead and talk about what I have purchased from buy sell trade. I do have two orders coming from Simply Gilded. There was a pre-sale, and then there was a typical Friday release, and I got some things from both of those. They should be here within the next couple of days. So let's go ahead and start with this one. This is, I believe they call it coral, but anyway, it's just this really pretty pale orange, and I would call it more of a peach, but I believe it's called coral, and it has the beautiful gold foil bows, so I have those. And that was from someone on buy sell trade, just like I said, all of these are really. And then I got two of one of these. This was from one person. I do not go on there and spend more than retail, just because I just don't really think it's fair for people to do that. But I found this one. This was the Autumn. I believe it's called Autumn, but it is the ombre from dark to light with the rose gold bows. And you have your 15 and your 10 millimeter. I just love this. Thought it was beautiful. I'm going to be using a combination of this and some of the others that I have to do a washi divider for my planner, my recollections planner that I have set up for this month and been using. And I just I really think this is pretty. I do have another one of this that I ordered, but I wanted to make sure that I had plenty. So yeah, I have that. And this is the one that has the second roll of the 15 millimeter. And let's see if I can figure out which side to open here. Here we go. So this was just one of those situations I grabbed whatever I could grab because it was going really fast because the prices were really good. So I have this one. This is just the natural. It's just this really pretty off-white ecru color with the gold foil bow. And then I have this purple with the silver. I really like it. I think it's pretty. I think it'll go with a lot of different things because I always do a lot of pastel kits, and I have some that have purple, and I thought this would be really pretty. And since it has the silver bow, I thought that would be a good mix up there, because you know I like to use both silver, gold, and rose gold metallics, and so I'm just beginning to, you know, sort of build my stash. Okay, here is another of the 15 millimeter of the Autumn one, and so that's just a second one, but like I said, I want to make sure I had plenty. And then I got this one. This is the Aqua, I think, or something like that, with the holographic bow. I really thought this was pretty. I've never really been that much into holographic, but when I saw this one, I was like, you know, I need that one. I definitely need that one. So I really love this one. I think it's very, very pretty. Okay, and this is the last order I placed from someone on buy sell trade, Simply Gilded. And this was another situation where I kind of just picked up whatever was left. But I did get the set of yellow with holographic, so I think that this may have come in the same set. I'm not sure. This is just this really bright color. I don't know if this is part of the candy line or not. You guys would probably know better than me. I'm a total newbie here when it comes to the Simply Gilded washi. But yeah, I got on there and I found this, and then she also had this one, and it's just a, I don't know, I call it a smoke color. It's just a very, if I'm not mistaken, it might be called dusk, something like that, but it's just a very pale cross between lavender and gray with the silver bow, and I loved the color. I thought it was really pretty. And she did have 2 rolls of the silver, solid silver. I used my gold solid silver that I got in a Recollections tube. I use it like crazy. And I thought that if I decide, especially for the wintertime with snowflakes and things like that, and for Halloween, because those 2 things make me think more of silver foil, I thought I'd get a lot of use out of these, because she just threw these in as part of the order. And the last thing that I got was this. I love this. It's absolutely adorable. I love polka dots, and of course the gray, not gray, but the gold bow on it. It is just, I don't know, it stole my heart. So those are the washi that I was able to get from Simply Gilded Collectors from this buy sell trade. And then what I did is I did place an order. I wanted a good Christmas kit, and of course I love Scribble Prints Co. So I really like this. I think that's so pretty, the label that she has on the back of her mailer. But anyway, I did purchase a couple of things, but let's go ahead and go into the kit first, because this kit is just stunning. And I've already checked it out because I couldn't wait. Sorry, I just couldn't, guys. It's just, as soon as I saw this on her website, I was like, okay, I have to have that one if I can get it out. Okay, yeah, there it comes. There is a lot to this kit, and so therefore, it's kind of hard to get it out. Okay, here are the little munchkins where she, you know, she teams up with Once More with Love. And I thought this was really cute, especially if I end up having to go home for Christmas. I think I'll be down here for Christmas, but if not, if I have to go to Birmingham, I can use that one. I thought it was really cute. But these are the full boxes, and you can see how the theme on the label matches. I love these tassels. I love them. They're everywhere in this. I just think this is so pretty. Now, this is not one of my favorite boxes right here. I probably will end up not using that one, but I think the rest of this kit is just beautiful. I just love this, and I'm looking forward to getting, I was able to purchase from Simply Gilded some of her Christmas items, so I can't wait to get the washi and use it with this. But I think this is so pretty. Okay, and then this is the next sheet. You have all of your pretty deco. The deer, I think, is probably what sold me besides these tassel banners. I just saw that deer and I thought, you know, that deer is so beautiful. And so I really love her new style of deco pieces. For a while she was doing like 2 of the same thing, just in a mirror image, but now she's really giving you a large variety, and I just love that. Love the things that you can use here for YouTube and that sort of thing. Love the little Scribble Prints girls and the bow, obviously. Okay, then we have these are in marble, which is really neat. Love that. Love this. Definitely going to replace the girl here in this one with this full box. I just think this is so cute. North Pole Express mail. But you have your typical round icon stickers, but then you have the ones that are maybe a little hard to see, but they're actually kiss cut around, and they're in the gray, the pale gray with a marble background. I just love those. I think they're really pretty. So here we have our functional sheet with the boxes, flags. We have some more small icons, circular icons. Then we have 2 3-heart checklists. I love that these and the weekly boxes are, the letters are trimmed in the gold glitter. I really think this is beautiful, and you can get so much out of this. Here is some more. We just have these quarter boxes, appointment labels, bill dues, and here are your half boxes. Love those. Okay, let me see if I can get this separated. Here we have our washi with the fancy labels and of course the headers. I'll definitely be using those. Here we have some more fancy appointment labels, some solid washi and littles. I love these checklist boxes. They are gorgeous, trimmed in the gold glitter with that marble background. It's just such a neat pretty touch to this kit. And then we have our, it looks like two separate pieces of washi, but it's really, you know, it's one solid piece, but I just love, love, love this. I think it is so pretty, and the date cover-ups obviously are beautiful. Okay, so this is the next thing that I ordered. I've had this for a while. I'm just now getting to the point where I can actually share. Okay, she threw this in, which is absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to use this in something. It's a white bow with the silver foil. Love that. I did purchase some gold foil numbers for, you know, the date covers. I knew that I was going to need some of those as I'm moving into more and more using more foil, so I grabbed a couple of those. And I also picked up the extra for this kit, which is, you have the little bows here, and then you have the paper clip bows, which I think they're adorable. She did send this card. I think it is so pretty. It will make such a pretty dashboard, or, you know, a note to someone or anything like that. But I love, love, love the gold foil of it. You can see how shiny it is. It's just beautiful, and I love that there's floral here. Okay, and so I also ordered these. I think these are gorgeous. I'm going to be using these. I have been waiting on some of these things to come in so that I can finish up my setup with my Cocoa Daisy inserts, and so I was waiting on these to come in. I think they're stunning. They do have the rose gold foiling, and they're just a gorgeous, gorgeous fall look. I just love these, and I did not have any. They're just beautifully cut, and I'm really excited to have those. And then the last thing that I have to share with you is I did get, these are the clear, these are printed on clear sticker paper, but they are, of course, the yearly holidays. I just went with all of them, and they are the gold foil on the clear sticky. And I just love it. I think it's all beautiful. So I was just really excited to share all of these things with you guys, to do just a little bit of a haul. I haven't done a haul in a hot minute on my channel, but I thought it would be fun to share these things with you, and all these washies and all this, because I wanted you to see that I am beginning to try and catch up with the trend. But that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button. Be sure to hit subscribe if you're new, and I hope that you come back to watch. I love all of you that are always here and enjoy my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.